Hello!
Today we're gonna film my sister's hair.
Yes, today we're cutting off Roxanne's hair. Like mine, except longer.
She's freaking out.
She is freaking out. She's gonna cut it all off for the cause. For the cause. They want your pretty red hair. I'm gonna cut it all off. You're gonna be bald, Roxanne. That would be really funny. I'd probably laugh my head off if you became bald.
We are measuring now.
Measuring. How many inches do we need again? 8 inches. Hey, I thought I was gonna look like a boy, but look how girly I look. I do have. You have boobs and hips too.
She's recording over.
There's a smudge on the screen. I'm trying to get it off while recording.
Okay.
Ready?
Are we ready?
Ready?
This is all for the cause.
It's for the cause. Your hair is coming off. It's gone! Look at her hair, it's gone! Huh? Ooh, it's all gone! Look at You're so good at cutting off your hair. I didn't even cut it! Well, getting your hair cut. How's it feel? You just saved people's lives. Maybe. Well, from ridicule and sadness. I don't know, somebody. I'm sure somebody does. There it is, there's the hair in the bag. Awesome. I'm gonna stop recording now. Everyone say goodbye. Bye-bye. She's so cute and fluffy. Maybe we should film it somewhere else. But she's so cute. And she's happy there. See, she's free. Yeah. That's attractive. Stop messing with her!